Hey everyone, welcome to the Management Lou. Did you know that a simple cup of coffee can be a game changer for your career? Intriguing, isn't it? Today we're diving deep into a topic that can supercharge your career: coffee chats. This seemingly casual small talk is actually one of the most potent tools for networking and professional growth. Fasten your seatbelts and get ready to discover the art of mastering coffee chats. Don't forget to grab your cup of coffee because we're about to embark on a stimulating journey. Stay tuned. Ever wondered how a simple coffee chat can boost your career? If you're pondering this question, you're in the right place. Welcome to a journey that's about to take you beyond the typical perception of coffee chats. These aren't just casual conversations over a cup of joe. They are, in fact, a potent tool for networking, learning, and career development. Imagine walking into a meeting with a potential employer or a respected professional in your field. You're not there to ask for a job or a favor, but to engage in a meaningful dialogue, to learn from their experiences, to share your perspectives, and to build a relationship that can be mutually beneficial. That's the essence of a coffee chat. It's an opportunity to connect on a personal level, to gain insights, and to add a new dimension to your professional growth. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive into the art of mastering coffee chats. Why should you care about coffee chats? Well, let's dive into that. Coffee chats, in essence, are an essential tool in the modern professional's arsenal. Why? Because they're not just about sipping on a cup of joe. These informal yet influential meetings offer a wealth of opportunities. Think of them as your gateway to learning. They open doors to insights from seasoned professionals, giving you an edge in your field. Coffee chats are also your ticket to expanding your network. They allow you to connect with individuals you might never meet in a traditional office setting. What's more, coffee chats are a stepping stone to career development. They can lead to mentorship opportunities, job leads, and even collaborations. And let's not forget the relationships. Coffee chats help build strong professional bonds that can last a lifetime. So, you see, coffee chats are more than just casual conversations. They're a catalyst for growth, development, and success. Clearly, coffee chats are more than just casual conversations. So, how do you prepare for a coffee chat? That's a question that many professionals grapple with. Let's dive into it. First, setting clear objectives is vital. What do you hope to gain from this chat? Is it to network, seek advice, or maybe explore job opportunities? Having a clear goal in mind will steer the conversation in the right direction and ensure you get the most out of it. Next, do your homework. Research the person you're meeting. Understand their role, their industry, and their company. This will not only show that you respect their time, but also allow you to ask insightful questions that can spark meaningful discussions. Speaking of questions, it's essential to prepare some in advance. While you want the conversation to flow naturally, having a few prepared questions can help steer the conversation, especially if there's a lull. Questions should be open-ended, thought-provoking, and relevant to the person you're meeting and your objectives. Finally, set the right mindset. Approach the coffee chat with an open mind and a genuine curiosity. Remember, this isn't just a transactional conversation, it's an opportunity to build a relationship. Be present, be engaged, and be authentic. And there you have it. With clear objectives, solid research, prepared questions, and the right mindset, you're well on your way to mastering your coffee chat. As the saying goes, preparation is key to a successful coffee chat. Now you're prepared, but how do you conduct a coffee chat? Let's dive into it. The first step is maintaining a professional demeanor. This isn't a casual catch-up with an old friend, but rather an opportunity to build a professional connection. Dress appropriately, arrive early, and respect the other person's time. Remember, your actions during this chat lay the foundation for your professional relationship. Next, let's talk about active listening. This is a skill that can set you apart from others. When the other person is speaking, give them your full attention. Nod in agreement, respond appropriately, and show that you're engaged. This not only shows respect, but also helps you absorb vital information that could be useful in your career journey. Now, on to asking insightful questions. This is your chance to tap into the wisdom and experience of a seasoned professional. Avoid generic questions like, "What does your company do?" Instead, aim for deeper, more thought-provoking inquiries. You might ask, "What challenges did you face in your role and how did you overcome them?" Or, "What qualities do you think are essential for someone to succeed in your industry?" Then there's the art of following up after the chat. This is often overlooked, but it's crucial for building lasting relationships. Send a thank you note, expressing your appreciation for their time and insights. This simple act can leave a lasting impression, making you more memorable in the eyes of your new connection. Conducting a coffee chat is not just about getting information, it's about forging a connection that could open doors for you in the future. It's about showing genuine interest in the other person's experiences and learning from them. And most importantly, it's about creating a dialogue. A successful coffee chat is not a monologue where one person does all the talking. It's a balanced conversation where both parties contribute. So as you steer the conversation, remember to also share your own experiences, thoughts, and aspirations. Remember, a successful coffee chat is a two-way conversation. What's the payoff of mastering coffee chats, you may ask? Well, let's dive into that. Firstly, coffee chats can lead to job opportunities. Consider this: you're sitting across a professional in your field, sharing your aspirations and experiences over a warm cup of coffee. This exchange can often leave a lasting impression on the other person. They may not have a job for you right then, but when an opportunity arises, guess who springs to mind? That's right, you, the one who made a connection over a simple coffee chat. Secondly, coffee chats can serve as platforms for mentorship. Your coffee chat partner could be someone who has navigated the same career path you're on, and they could provide invaluable insights, advice, and guidance. This mentorship relationship can be incredibly beneficial for your professional development. Speaking of professional development, coffee chats can be a treasure trove of knowledge. You can learn about industry trends, gain insights about different roles and companies, and even get tips on how to improve your skills. All this knowledge can be instrumental in advancing your career. Lastly, coffee chats can lead to lasting professional relationships. These are not just fleeting encounters, but can evolve into long-term professional bonds. These relationships can provide a lifetime of support, advice, and opportunities. In a nutshell, mastering coffee chats is like mastering the art of networking. It's about making connections, learning, growing, and opening up opportunities for yourself. So, the next time you're invited for a coffee chat, remember, it's more than just a casual conversation. Mastering coffee chats can truly open doors in your career. To wrap it up, we've dived into the art of mastering coffee chats. We've underscored their significance in career advancement, explored the necessary preparations, and outlined how to conduct them effectively. Remember, a well-executed coffee chat can open doors and create meaningful professional relationships. The payoff? A potentially game-changing boost in your career trajectory. Now, you are ready to leverage coffee chats for your career success. Go forth and network over coffee.
Thank you so much for tuning in to Management Loop today. If you found value in this video and want to continue your journey towards becoming a more effective and efficient individual, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Until next time, keep honing your skills, and together, let's keep the Management Loop strong. Thanks again for being a part of our community, and we'll see you in the next video.